Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to rename a folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the particular folder. Here I go to Samsung folder. Okay, just click on the folder and click on the text of the folder. Okay, that is name of the folder. Okay, already it is assigned as Samsung. Okay, just you can delete the text and rename. Okay, so here I give rename as Mingy. Okay, and just go back. Now Google folder is just that is Samsung folder is just renamed to Mingy. Okay, so whatever your name you would like to you would like to get there, just delete available text and include that particular one. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.